I did something so stupid! I was getting ready to celebrate my birthday, and my little boy was making something with some paper. When I saw that he had used all of it, I screamed at him because we didn't have much money. The next morning, he brought me a small box with a big smile and said, "Daddy, happy birthday! I love you!" I opened it, and inside the box was a blank piece of paper. I was furious. "You're the worst son! Why would you give me a piece of paper?" He looked up at me with eyes filled with tears and then ran outside. Suddenly, when I flipped the paper over, there was a picture of me and him together with the words, "Happy birthday, Daddy! I love you!" My heart broke. I ran to him, hugging him tightly, saying, "I'm sorry for everything. I love you too. And if you love your family, subscribe!"